Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did this Darling Kinky hair ponytail, and I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this look. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hi guys, I'm going to be attempting to do the Darling Kinky straight wrap pony. I have a kinky hair. This is my hair. It's kinky, it's natural hair, so I'm just going to attempt to straighten it out and style it by myself. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So this is African shea butter. I'm just going to use it as a protective coat on my hair. So I want to just going to So I'm just going to section my hair into different parts so that I can straighten it as fast as I can, please. I just need the straightener to help me straighten the hair, because my hair is natural. So if I had like that, there's this straightening comb that they use these days. I tend to get one, but I've been using this thing for close to 10 years now. So I just wanted to straighten my hair so that it would look fine, because you know that natural hair used to shrink. So it's going to come out looking gorgeous. Take it back. I should put it in front because you guys know. Be in the middle. I forgot to show you guys, but I used a styling hair wax after trying for different styles. I didn't want to show all of that in order not to bore you. I'm going to put this in another vlog. Like, I tried different ways to get this style because this was my first time doing it by myself before we finally found our way around it. So I packed it in an up bun because I had done a back pack, but I really didn't like how it was looking. So I wanted to, there was a particular style I had in mind. I wanted to have the high up bun ponytail look, so I repacked it, then used my hair wax, because I found out that when you use hair wax instead of like normal gel or the normal gel that we have here in Nigeria, it doesn't really hold, but the hair wax, it will hold and it will look so beautiful and the hair will stay. Okay, you can get the hair wax on Jumia. I would insert a clip of what it looks like. It's different from normal hair gel. So I had to ask my sister to help me because we're late for church. At this point my husband was already shouting. So I had to tell her that she should please come and help me wrap the hair. So I just explained to her what to do. So this is us weaving it. When you pack the hair, you need to weave it so that you can tuck it in. So when you are wrapping the ponytail, it would not be bulky at the top. Do you understand? So we use the band to wrap it in. So you can see it. So what we're going to do now is really very simple, guys. What you want to do first of all is to tuck in the pin into the hair. I tried other method and it wasn't really working, but this worked and it was fast. It didn't even waste time. So what you want to do is to tack. You can see so you want to put it around that's your hair knot. You just pin it inside. When you pin it inside, then you use the wrap to wrap it. I know there are different methods, but this was simple and it came out really looking nice. So this band that is on the side, if you are using the Darling Kinky hair ponytail hair, what you just do, you take it round, okay, because if you leave it like that, it won't come out looking fine. So you wrap it round, okay, you wrap it, you just keep wrapping it. But after doing this first one, I found a better way to make it look better. So when you begin to wrap, you divide the 2 strands into 2, even though it wasn't done in this video, but you try it, you see that it will come out looking really pretty. So when you wrap it, you use and get to the point that you use the hair, that's the wig, that it has covered that place, you see. You now use what I now do is to divide it into 2 so you can tie it, and it would really look very pretty, as opposed to just what she's doing now. What she's doing is that she just used it to wrap it round. But you know, when you do something for the first time, you don't really know. But subsequently, what I began to do is to divide. Once I wrap the base of the hair, I just divide it into two and wrap it, so it comes out looking so gorgeous, like really gorgeous. So we're combing it out. We're late for church, so at this point I just needed to make the hair just how it comes, so that my husband doesn't shout too much, because we was already in the car. You know, we women, when we're getting ready, let me know, am I the only person that does this? Okay, I remember when I was great. I think I had one boyfriend one time that told me that never allow anybody rush you when you are trying to be beautiful. And so I've kept that thing in my mind. Like, if I'm going anywhere, I'll tell myself, I'm not going to look like your house girl. I will come out looking weird. So, but it's not good though. Try and get you women that used to waste time getting ready on Sundays or whenever you go for your worship. Why do you people do that? Why do you do that? Why do you waste your husband's time? So anyway, this was the first look. This was what it was looking like. I was just shaking. At this point, they were honey, hey God, I was just shaking the hair, like, let me just shake this hair. I was getting this video content for you guys. Okay, so this was what it looked like. I'll insert some other clips of the other times I wrapped it by myself and went out with the hair. Anyway, let me know in the comment section if you are going to try out this ponytail. It's so simple and it is really affordable. I bought it for 2,800 or 3,000 thereabout. I will check on Jumia if you can get it on Jumia and put it in the link, so you just order and they'll bring it to you. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please like the video, and if you are not yet subscribed, do subscribe. If you like